Hi everyone, this is Pramita here, and remember the center of the stacked an envelope sort of thing that we had done for this journal, this one, and we have I have completed this journal. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add some gold accents. You do not need to do this. If you do not like, you can add other color, other metallic paints also, or you can keep it simple. Just brush a little bit of ink if you so want, but let me give you a tour of the flips and the journal cards that go in. So these are the ones that I had done off camera, and I'm going to just take them off, and I'm going to add a little bit of gold accents to some of these, and just flipping these open and just taking these out. So basically I have totally taken off all the ephemera that had gone inside this. So now I'm going to add a little bit of accent, gold accent to these. You can skip this part, but I decided to just highlight them a little bit more. So I have this metallic paint. It's nearly on its last legs because I have used it so much, and I really like the quality of this, even though it's a little bit on the pricier side, and you can see how little I have left, and I don't need much for this project at all. Just a little bit, just like this. And if you do not like gold accents, you can definitely skip this part, but I like to give this a little bit of grungy gold effect. This is a very burnished gold effect. It's not very shiny, but it just gives a little bit of pop. You can use your brushes, but I think I found that our fingers work best for this, because I'm going to use very little. As you can see, I'm just taking tiny bits. I hope you can see. Okay, let me show you how little I'm taking, and just I'm going to rub it very lightly, just so that just a little bit of accent, nothing else. You won't be able to see it basically, just it's not going to be that shiny. Sorry, it's not going to be that shiny also, but it's just a slight tint of gold. So finish these two. They dry very quickly, and it's already drying up, this paint. I have used it extensively, and these are the texture paste accents that I had done. So the last part is that I will be making a pouch sort of thing for this journal, and that's going to be from book pages. I'll show you how I do that. That's going to be the next part basically, but both will come back to back, so keep watching. If you've not yet subscribed, then please subscribe to my channel, so that you get regular notifications. I do not post much on Facebook. I find that my posts often get lost, so if you're not yet subscribed and you hope that I'm going to be watching an update on Facebook and then I'll rush to see the tutorial, that might not happen. So I'm just adding, I hope you can see, just a little bit of gold, nothing much. And this is metallic acrylic paint. You can use wax also if you have access to that. Metallic waxes, gilding wax, whatever. And I'm going to add a little bit over here. So I'm just dabbing this, and then I'm going to use another finger because this finger is already full of paint. And just a tiny little bit just gives that extra, something extra. It's going to look like a tarnished gold effect. It's not going to shine much, because that's the kind of paint I'm going to be using. I have used. So it's like this. So it's a very quickie thing that I thought I'd share with you. And I don't know, the lighting is very, very dark because it's a very cloudy day today, and this is how it's looking. And I will be making a pouch to keep that journal in. That I have made pouches before, but never from a book page, so that's going to be a first for me. And I'm just using this. So that's that, and that's just an update on these. And once they dry up, we're going to move on to making the book page pouch. So bye everybody, have a great day and keep watching. So I have finished this journal as of now, and I just need to make a pouch sort of thing, which is going to be a trifoldy thing. But before I move on to that, I'm just going to give you a full tour of the journal. This is the front pocket. This is the cover. There is a tag that goes inside. Some of them we have done on camera, some off camera. So this is how things are. So I've mainly used papers from my shop. This is from the Floral Collage kit, and the back, the cover is made using Tim Holtz paper pack. So these are all from that kit. So there's a tag over here, some clusters that we had done, and then tags, and blank pages, and then some top tucks, some side tucks. Here is a double pocket, then some ephemera over here, and I just need to finish envelope. That's it, and we'll be done for that. We'll be done for now, and I have that drying somewhere here, but I don't know. So there is a double pocket, and this is the center. And let me tell you, the center looks awesome when you have those stacks opening up slowly. And sorry, so here they are, and then you have this. Okay, so lots of stacks, and this is the center, and then they close up. 3 flips at different heights, so that's interesting one. And it has turned out to be a very chunky journal, let me tell you. And remember, we had started working on this as a pre-made journal. I did not stitch this later. It was already made, and I've just decorated that or embellished that. So here is another pocket. So let me show you. Here is a journal card that goes in. These have been all backed by tea stained papers. Here is a layered pocket that we had done. This is a kind of, if I take this off, then these are different layers. And there is this tiny thing that goes in. Some blank pages. Again, pockets. And here what I've done is, these are small dies, tag dies I have, and I have just tagged them just for an extra embellishment. This is a tall tag that I've added over here, and again there is another tag over here. So this is a double pocket. Okay, why is it not going in? That's not good. So let me turn this. Okay, so then we come to this part again. Double pocket, lots of tags. Some are from paper packs that I had recently bought, and some we had made. Some I had from previous die cuts. you know, it's like the stash busting kind of thing, which more or less was cohesive with the theme. And this is another pocket, and at the back I do have a huge pocket, but I've not put anything in. Maybe I will put something towards the end. So now I need to make a trifold pouch sort of thing, not a trifold pouch, but a pouch sort of thing from book page. And so that's going to be the next part.